So in today class, I am going to give introduction to Spring Boot. What is Spring Boot? What are its benefits? What kind of applications are created? First, we are going to see introduction here. Okay, I am going to give introduction here. Then I'm going to show some course content actually here. What are the concepts I'll cover? Okay, at last, some types of examples, that is the architecture levels, how it is actually going to be. So project structure mostly used in real time. You can ask some FAQs at last. If you have any questions you want to ask me, okay. If you have any doubts regarding course content or syllabus, that is actually what kind of subject you should learn, for how much experience here, okay, that we are going to see all one by one. So this is our agenda today. Yeah, I'll cover all this actually at last. Anita, you can just listen. And if you have any doubt, you can use chat box, not an issue. Okay, you can just type your question in the chat box in the middle if you get any doubt. Okay, at last, I'll give some time. Okay, what are the things that I'm just going to cover? Okay, so what kind of things will be there, what are not? At last, I'll just give a chance to you to ask each and every question. It's FAQs. I'm going to just give a chance to you. You can ask all the questions. Just listen the demo first of all. Give me 40 minutes time first of all to me. At last, I'll give more than half an hour to ask any kind of question. You can ask all your questions one by one, no problem. Okay, so first of all, if you want to develop one application, if you want to develop one application by using Spring, then we are going to write a lot of coding. Configurations will be there. That configuration will be reduced by Spring Boot mostly. That is called auto configuration. Let me explain that point here. General questions only I'm asking. If you know, you can give answer. If you don't know, you can be silent, no problem. Assumption, I am just developing online shopping application. I'm developing one online shopping application. In a similar way, I'm just developing ticket booking. Ticket booking application. So assumption, now you are the developer. You are the developer. Okay, I'm asking you to develop the application. First of all, what are the common things that you identify in online shopping or ticket booking application in a technical manner or as something like a functional manner? So the point I'm asking here, what are the common things that you generally observe in these two applications? You can give answer using chat box. Okay, wrong answer also fine. I'm asking what are the common things in these two types of application. As a user, you can think, okay, or as programmer, you can think, yes, people are giving answers. Okay, so one is a common thing is actually user register and login. Very good. Register and login is a common. Okay, register and login. Okay, next one, payment gateway, payments. Okay, very good. Search. Okay, search. Okay, some people giving something like a cart. Email confirmation, yes, okay. Email confirmation, okay. Very good. Yeah, something like OTP registration and all. Product to cart, very good. You are giving all functional, nice. Now I'll give technical. Listen carefully. Now I'll give technical. Very good. Nice. I have seen almost everyone answer. Okay. You are all giving functionality. I'll give technical details. Listen carefully. Database. Database concept. Okay. Database. Without a database, okay, there is no application nowadays. Okay. It could be SQL or no SQL. That is a secondary concept. So database. Database with CRUD operations. Database with CRUD operations are common. Will you accept? Okay, that's actually creating online shopping, booking the ticket, creating a new ticket, cancel the ticket, or something like modify your data, update operation, view your ticket, read operation. Same here also. Okay, that's actually so online shopping. If you come here, add item to cart. Okay, there, that means actually you're creating one new transaction there. Okay, database operations. And second one is actually security. Security means actually register and login. I'm speaking about technically what are common. You gave so far module wise. Yes, I'm speaking technical because I want to explain one technical concept. There's a framework I want to see. I want to show actually why Spring Boot we are learning. Okay, security is a common concept. Okay, security is a common concept. Database is a common concept. Very good. Email alerts, email configuration. That is also common. Okay, here also send email alerts. Yeah, message alerts even. Message alerts even here. Okay, so here we are going to see one more. If you take some tools, I'm not sure how many of you know this actually here. That's actually logging and unit testing will be there. Okay, this also called log4j concept. Log4j and unit testing here, logging and unit testing. So here, if you go on like multiple will come. Okay, based on having clarity. If you take one application, okay, another type of application, two web applications, if you take just I'm speaking about two web application will be having so many common technology involved concepts. I'm not speaking about functionality modules. I'm speaking about technologies actually here. Okay, so most of the technologies actually this, not only this, even so many are there. Okay, aspect orientation we have, UI designing will be there. UI designing is actually one part. Okay, so that is web service implementation will be there, integrating your project with another project. Online shopping, you said payment gateway integration, that is called web service. Ticket booking, here also payment gateway integration, that is called web service. One project connecting with another project. Okay, so if you take multiple applications, multiple web applications, I'm speaking mostly here because our framework specific to web application. Web and distributed. What is distributed, I'll speak later. As of now, you will be having a clarity of web application. If you take web applications, there are so many common technologies involved. Okay, almost 80 to 90% common things. These common things we need not to write code manually. Okay, if we are actually taking multiple applications, okay, and I want to develop the application using Spring. If you don't know Spring, just listen. If you don't know also, just listen here. I want to write application using Spring framework. Okay, not Spring Boot. Okay, before to Spring Boot there is a concept called Spring. So there was Spring framework. Current version is actually 5.x. Okay, if you want to write by using here, so first thing what we used to write actually Spring Bean. And the second one we are going to write something like Spring configuration file. Spring configuration file. Okay, so here these are the two files will be there, Spring Bean, Spring configuration file, and some setups. We are going to add some dependencies by using either Maven project you take or Gradle project you take. Here there is actually jars. What are the jars required? Okay, this is the common concept of writing Spring framework. Okay, we have to write Spring Beans configurations and all, any Spring framework. Let me show one example configuration for database. Okay, I want to do database connection, not even CRUD operations, I'm showing database connections. Okay, again I'm saying, if you don't know, please listen. However, I want to show major difference first of all. Later I'll show these points too. Okay, so I am writing for database. Database Spring configuration file. You can write XML configuration file or Java based configuration file. You can write. I'm just giving overview code, not completely. Bean id is equals to ds obj. Okay, class is equals to, we can write something like a driver manager data source. Okay, close bean. Whoever writes almost same code here, okay, there I am writing a tag called property name is equals to something like a driver class name. Okay, some value is equals to Oracle driver or MySQL driver. So here, if you take one more property, URL will be there, username will be there. Password will be there. Like, so it's a XML configuration. It's a Spring XML configuration. Or else you can write the same thing by using annotation config. There's a Java configuration actually. That's a Java and annotation configuration. You can write step number one, write one class app config. Okay, write one public class. Okay, write one class here. We used to write @configuration. Okay, then define one method, something like a public data source. Okay, just we used to write some ds obj. Same thing by using Java based configuration. There we used to write one annotation @bean. Okay, @bean. There we have to write driver manager data source. ds is equals to new driver manager data source. It's a Spring code I'm writing. Okay, you may not get completely driver class name. Okay, we have to write like this ds dot, okay, set URL. Okay, ds dot set username. Okay, and ds dot set password. Above or below, anyone you have to write something like return ds. Okay, in Spring, like this configurations we used to write, this called configuration file. These configurations, spring boot says spring boot says don't write it. Yes, what I'm saying is correct, what you are listening is correct. Don't write. This is given by spring boot only. Spring boot only. Okay, if you are writing spring framework, if you are writing spring framework, more than 80% of code is actually configuration only. Assumption, you are writing one application by using spring framework, 100 lines are there. In that 100 lines, 20 lines are your actual application lines, 80 lines are configurations will be there. Okay, go on application writing, configuration lines are more. Okay, your logical lines are less. Okay, spring boot says, hey, let us completely remove this. Remove means what? I'll give, you don't write it. Hey developer, this complete configuration I'll take it. Okay, writing the coding means complicate, don't write means it's not complicate, I think. Okay, if you don't write means that's happy. Okay, so sir, how it is actually saying I'll give it? Okay, generally spring or any application means single project. Whatever the application you take actually here, you develop single project. But this time, are you developing one application or one project? Online shopping application, ticket booking application, or something like payment application. Okay, any application here. So here, if you're writing one application, I'm just calling this as actually your project. Okay, I'm just, it's calling as your project here. This is developed by you. This is developed by you. Okay, now this application, okay, it says, spring boot says, hey, you can't write directly. There is another project available that is actually called parent project. This parent project is given by spring boot team. That's actually given by spring boot team actually here. This parent project is actually having all auto configuration setup. It's a ready-made project. In your understanding, something like a ready-made project. Okay, this project is given a company name that is actually called Pivotal. Pivotal team, it's a company name. Like, you know, Apache company, Okay, something like Oracle company, right? In the same way, it's a pivotal company. What they have said, hey, programmer, are you writing application? Yes. Okay, in your 100 lines of code, 80 lines are almost, I know that. Really? Yes. Sometimes 80 line based on the concept, sometimes 90% of lines, sometimes 60% of lines. That depends on the concept. Okay, security. Okay, more than 60%. Database program, more than 90%. Email configuration, more than 80%. That means finally I can say, okay, compared to Spring, number of lines of code will be reduced. Those lines are already provided in a parent project. Do you know Java inheritance concept? Java inheritance concept. There will be parent class, there will be child class. Someone already created this class. Someone already created this class. You are writing this class. They are just saying you do inheritance, is a relation or inheritance. Already, okay, already assumption some 50 lines of code is there. LOC, lines of code. LOC means lines of code. 50 lines of code. Okay, you want to write 100, don't write, already 50 completed. You inherit and write remaining 50, right? That is called inheritance, reusability. In a similar way, are you developing any application? Okay, this actually developer. Are you writing any application? Yes. Then do one thing. There is already Spring Boot project is given. It's a parent project that's actually called auto configuration. You do simple thing that's actually you do inheritance type. Just for understanding, I'm just giving this diagram. Slight changes actually here. So here there's actually they are going to provide something like inheritance. This project is completely given by pivotal team. That is only we are calling as a Spring Boot. Okay, in simple terminologies you want to understand, Spring Boot also one project. Yes, Spring Boot is actually project. It's a framework that behaves like a project, which gives auto configuration that reduces some lines of code to your application that depends on the percentage of your application here. Okay, auto configuration means what is actually reduced. Okay, you'll be having some doubt still. Okay, it will give some code actually here. I'm just saying here, it will reduce something. Okay, auto configuration means don't think this one only. Okay, don't think this kind of code only. Even some common jars. Okay, Spring Beans means some ready-made classes are your classes, some common classes. Okay, auto configuration means actually common classes. You may get doubts are how to identify common classes. Don't worry, that depends on chapter wise. We are going to see, okay, data JPA chapter, web MVC chapter, RESTful web service chapter, security chapter, Kafka chapter, microservice chapters. Like we have multiple chapters. Based on the chapter wise, you will understand. Okay, today I can't show all, but I will give overview today. That's what I'm saying. It's a demo here. Common classes. Okay, common configs. Okay, either XML or Java, whatever you know, you can map it. You need not to write completely XML, completely gone here. Need not to write actually here. Okay, common jars. Do you want to write OJDBC? That's actually database program. Spring JDBC jars or Spring ORM jars. Okay, OJDBC or MySQL connector jars. Jars required. Without jars, you can't write application. And common setup. Okay, that's actually common setup or common runtime you can take. For example, Tomcat server required. You don't download, it will give. Server also, yes, not only server, database also it will give. Okay, so you need not to download and install. Some embedded will be there. Common runtime will be there. Common plugins will be there. Once you develop the application, your application should be converted to some jar or var format. Then it has to be placed in a server. Okay, all the work, most of the concepts are reduced. Most of the concepts are reduced. That is done by Spring Boot. Okay, I'll show even one Spring example. And so Spring Boot example here. So I am not saying everything is gone. Okay, remember, if 100 lines of code is there, okay, 100% code is reduced to your work something like 40 to 60% of work. Okay, sometimes even more less than that actually. Okay, so here in Spring, we don't see XML configuration. Sorry, in Spring Boot, we don't see any XML configuration. Our complete work is actually Java and annotations only. Those I'll teach you, don't worry. XML almost gone, not supported in Boot. Okay, you can do some modifications and techniques you can apply. Okay, you can just apply some techniques to inject XML, but still that is also not recommended in the Boot. XML not supported. Complete XML concept is removed, sir. Everything Java and annotation. Okay, so whatever the code you are writing manually in Spring, no need of writing. Okay, so how, sir, what we have to do then? Okay, you said don't write, but anything we need to do, right? Yes, you have to create one Spring Boot application. You have to create one Spring Boot application. Definitely you have to create application either using Maven or using Gradle. Sir, manual project, no. Okay, Kailash, just listen the demo. At last I'll give chance to ask your questions. Okay, so I'll give some time, let me finish the demo. Then what are the prerequisites, course structure, everything I'll show. Yeah, still we can use some techniques to inject XML, but Spring Boot says don't use. Okay, Spring Boot says actually completely, if you have some voice that's actually connected points and all here, okay, that you can use. Okay, Spring Boot actually says you have to create either Maven or Gradle, anyone, not both. You have to create your child application either using Maven or Gradle project and connect it to parent project. And inside the pom.xml or something like build grad Gradle, you have to write spring dash boot dash starter dash JDBC. Okay, what else? That's it. Completed. What completed, sir? Yes, code completed. If we add this dependency, this line, okay, it's actually one jar, sir. This jar contains actually complete setup. Okay, in your understanding, it's a complete code, ready-made code will be there. Okay, so names looks like the spring hyphen boot hyphen starter hyphen JDBC. Either you add in pom.xml if you are using Maven, or build.gradle. Okay, if you are using Gradle, just add this line. If we add this line, this configuration will come. Yes, this configuration you are writing in Spring, no need of writing here. Okay, so then what else we need to do? Some inputs we have to pass. Application dot properties will be there. Application dot properties will they actually here. So that's actually here. So in that we have to pass some input. Driver class URL will be there, right? We have to pass using some key is equals to value. Okay, for example, driver is equals to Oracle, URL is equals to JDBC colon Oracle colon something like so on. Username is equals to and password is equals to, like that we have to pass some inputs. Okay, and you can write some additional database operations even, that is also even reduced. I'll show that. So understand, Spring Boot application says, okay, there is actually a concept called auto configuration. Auto configuration gives almost common setup. That auto configuration lines looks like this. Auto configuration line looks like this. Spring Boot starter. Not only this one, sir, so many are there. You want to do email programming. Okay, you want to do web MVC here. Okay, you want to do security. You want to do data JPA. Okay, you want to do something like AOP. Okay, so yes, for every requirement. Okay, that's actually MongoDB, data MongoDB. Okay, if you want to do batch. Okay, like we have so many. I'll show the list later. Understand? So what is the use of this line? This line will reduce the code. Okay, understand mainly. Are you writing Spring application? Yes. Okay, Spring application 100 lines of code is there. Okay, so here, if you are using Spring Boot, that's actually here 40 lines of code will be there. Okay, I'm just giving some points here, whatever I explained so far. Okay, just observe here. So what is Spring Boot? Why we are using this? Spring Boot internally uses Spring only. Spring Boot, it is a Spring based framework. Yes, it is also framework. Okay, some people says no, no, not like that, but it is also framework, sir. A framework is the one which reduces programmer duty. A simple point. Okay, so it's something like ready-made setup. It's a Spring based framework. It behaves like a project. Okay, it behaves like parent project. Okay, it's actually behaves like a parent project. It provides main feature called auto configuration. Auto configuration that reduces coding lines compared to Spring. Okay, if you compare to Spring framework, okay, compared to Spring framework, that reduces. That percentage changes, I can't give exactly, but you can say almost more than 50% that I can say. Okay, that provides actually auto configuration for every concept. Okay, for every concept, one ready-made jar given by Spring Boot, Spring Boot parent. Okay, that's actually example you want to see here. Okay, that's actually JDBC mail like that we have to provide them using either Maven or Gradle. Okay, that's actually pom.xml or build.gradle. Example, you can see Spring Boot starter JDBC, email, web security, so on. Okay. Okay. So here, like we have. So this is the most important thing of Spring Boot framework is auto configuration. Auto configuration means actually some ready-made jar. That ready-made jar for every concept will be available. If we add this, this configuration will be reduced. Some common classes will be reduced. Some common jars will be reduced and runtime plugin. Okay, but not everything I'm saying, it's a common thing. Okay, what is common means we have to go to that particular concept only. We have to go to that particular concepts only. Okay, some additional points I'm just giving here. Okay, so here every application that you create using Spring Boot, some points you have to understand finally. Every application created using Spring Boot, okay, contains parent project. Okay, contains parent project, this one. For example, you are developing the application, parent project will be there. Okay, this parent project is given by, this actually given by Pivotal team. That company name is actually called Pivotal team. Okay, next one. So this is actually Pivotal team. So there's a company name they gave actually here. So they are providing the major feature called auto configuration. Auto configuration. So that's the first one. Not only this one, there is actually embedded databases. Means you need not to download and install. You need not to download and install database actually. Directly you can start coding. Of course, in the production, if you want, you can choose whatever you want. There is something like H2 database, Apache Derby database is there. Okay, HSQL database is there. You need not to download and install. You can directly start. And not only that one, embedded servers also there. Okay, something like a Tomcat is the mostly used one. Okay, that's actually Jetty server. Okay, and Undertow, JBoss Undertow server is there. These servers also provided. Default is Tomcat. You need not to download and install here. Embedded servers also there. Embedded database that reduces the work. That reduces the work here. And majorly no XML configuration. No, sir, I want to use it. Okay, I'll show one technique of writing, but no one uses XML configuration in Spring Boot. Okay, Spring Boot itself saying I'm removing that. Okay, in the future, you may not even write that. Now we have a small technique of injecting if you want. It says, no, 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 I will not support it completely. Still, if you want, we can inject it. Okay, then what else we need to learn here? Okay, sir, I want to learn this course. Okay, what are the prerequisites? Okay, so the first prerequisite is actually core Java. Must have good knowledge on this. If you have no core Java knowledge, don't come, especially OOPS concept. Especially OOPS concept. What is class, interface, enum, annotation, okay, method, inheritance, overloading, overriding. I can't teach all those things. You must have good knowledge. Okay. Second one, advanced Java. Advanced Java, I am expecting basics only. Very basics also okay. But minimum knowledge required. How to write one Spring JDBC application, servlets application. JSP, if you know, happy. If you don't, happy. Because we completely learn latest UI technologies. JSP also almost outdated actually here. But if we, I'll give some example. Next one, ORM basics, Hibernate. Hibernate basics. If you don't know also, I'll cover this. But not everything. What is required for Spring Boot? I'll cover. What is required for Spring Boot, that is only I'll cover. Okay, if I teach complete Hibernate, that will take, okay, 90 days, sir. There is separate batches there if you want to learn, but I'll cover. Okay, yeah, advanced Java, very basics, low also, hope no problem. Okay, you know how to write one JDBC application, you know how to write some servlet program, sufficient. Because we don't write, but minimum knowledge required. Minimum knowledge required. We don't write advanced Java program. Again, I'm saying minimum knowledge required. Remaining I'll cover, sir, because I will expect. Okay, so here, yeah, Hibernate we are going to learn with the JPA. Okay, minimum basics you must have, or else also I'll cover. If you don't have also I'll cover. But the point is, remember, but the point is, I'll not teach everything Hibernate. What is required in Spring Boot, that is only I'll teach. Okay, yeah, if you already learn and if you forgot, okay, no one can remember even for long time, I'll revise, that's okay, not a issue. Okay, and next one, Spring Core. Spring Core basics. Okay, most of the people, they says I don't know this. Okay, okay, Spring Core is must, not Spring Core is must. Okay, if you know also, I will cover, but not everything. Again, I'm saying here. Okay, if you don't know Hibernate, if you don't know Spring Core, I'll give some additional sessions. If you are ready to attend some additional sessions, something like Sunday or after class every day, 15 minutes additionally. If are you ready to listen? Okay, I'll give this. These two I'll give. Okay, but you have to keep additional effort. Again, I'm saying, okay, just listen properly. If you don't know this, I will teach, but you have to keep some additional minutes every day. Every day, 15 minutes additional class. Okay, or before starting the class, I'll say, okay, join by this time. Sunday class I'll be taking. Are you ready to listen like that? Okay, then please join, else don't. Okay, I don't know, sir. If you don't know, I'll teach. If you don't know, I'll teach. If you don't want to learn, I can't. Okay, remember that point. And I'll especially, again, I'm saying what are required for Spring Boot, that is only I'll teach. Okay, some outdated concepts will be there. XML, no, I'll not teach XML here. That's completely outdated. Okay, additional classes I'll take for this actually here. Okay, yeah, previous batch recordings also I'll give if you want, like that also fine. That's not a problem. We'll speak about that later. These are the prerequisites, nothing else. Remaining all I'll teach. Coming to course content. Okay, if I start reading this, it will take one day. It's a 4 pages course content, sir. Okay, subject wise, I'll give content in such a way that will be more than enough for even 5 years experience candidate. Okay, almost everything is there. Spring Boot basics. Okay, application customization, runners, YAML, properties, profiles. Okay, almost Lombok API, annotations. Okay, web application, Ajax programming, connection pool, caching, pagination, RESTful web services, Swagger, profile management, JDBC, embedded components, data JPA, scheduling, dev tools, email programming, actuator, okay, security programming, microservices completely, okay, with its design workflows, okay, API gateway, config server, Eureka server, okay, message queues, Apache Kafka, Cloud Foundry, Zipkin and Sleuth, ELK stack, complete security using JDBC, okay, ORM, OAuth, JWT, and integration of Angular I am going to give, and React application integrations even, and cloud deployment basics, okay, free accounts I am going to give, and all the real-time tools, all the real-time tools. Easily it will take 4.5 months, sir. Duration it will take more than 4 months. Okay, I don't want to lie. Okay, they may say something like 3 months only. Do you want more subject? Okay, more time. Remember, initially first 3 months I'll cover major subject. Major subject I'll cover. Okay, later I'll give some tools oriented applications. Okay, something like deployment, unit testing, okay, something like using log4j, some kind of tools will be there, right? Okay, at last I'll give just to cover major subject in 3 months. Okay, at last some other, okay, something like mini projects. Some people knows already Angular. I know how, sir, I know Angular, sir, don't give it now. So that kind of things, yeah, something like DevOps tools. Okay, almost all the required tools will be there here. So I'll cover more than this actually I provided. This is only for your reference. I'll give double to this, that I can give guarantee. Subject will be ultimate, you need not worry about that. Definitely you will refer other student. In such a way I'll give subject. Okay, and the most important thing, I won't give any recording sessions for regular class. No recordings, and don't ask even. Okay, if you miss 1 day 2 day, okay, that's fine, I'll revise. 1 day 2 day if you miss, okay. 15 days 20 days if you miss, I am not responsible. Okay, recordings will not be given. Okay, but major concepts, last batch recordings I'll give. For example, security is there, security will be there, JWT will be there. Okay, that such kind of concepts will be there. Around 20 major concepts recordings I'll give. Okay, 20 important concepts will be there, I'll give recording, that I'll give. Okay, even tools. Okay, but not everything recording will be given. Regular classes recordings will not be provided. So please listen again one more time. Regular classes recordings will not be given. Completely explained, batch also given, and complete PDFs. Now only I'll give, whether you join or not, that's your interest. Now only I'll give all PDF links, you can download. Even I'll give some other documents also. Okay, you want to download now itself. Okay, this is Hibernate, Advanced Java, Spring, Spring Boot, Web Services, Real-Time Tools. This is, you can download. Just click on this link, everyone. Okay, you will actually get like this a link. When you click on this, you will get one zip. Click on one blue color button. You will get one zip actually here. Then once you extract, you will see something like here, all PDFs. Okay, this actually having advanced Java material is there, Hibernate material is there, Spring Boot, Spring Framework, tools and web service. Just open and see Spring Boot content. Okay, it's a 572 pages are there, sir. Okay, then you can understand how much I'll teach. Subject wise, okay, yeah, everyday notes also given, daily notes, daily regular class notes also given. Okay, subject wise I'll not compromise, but duration definitely I'll take this. It may be more than this, yeah, easily 4 months, no doubt. Okay, subject wise I'll give, my subject is well suitable, up to 5-6 years experience, a fresher level to 5 and 6 years experience candidate. Okay, so yeah, after course completed, no, we will not give any recording, sir. Don't ask again even. Okay, regular class notes, paint brushes, everything I'll give. Okay, this also I'll give. All I am, whatever I'm just doing in front of you, that will be given. Okay, so I need your time, sir. Most often I need your complete time. Okay, so that I can teach high content. I'll cover some core Java concepts also, even, okay, some important, not everything. Okay, some important core Java concepts, and at last, mini projects will be there. Okay, many projects I'll give additional sessions. Some people says, sir, I don't want. Some people says I want mini project by using Spring Boot security. Okay, Spring Boot security. Okay, some microservice mini project, Angular integration. Okay, React JS integration. Okay, something like Heroku cloud deployment. Okay, like that will be there. Heroku cloud deployment. Okay, like this. Okay, I'll cover some Spring core. So I will cover some core Java major concepts, even main concepts, something like Java 8 features will be there. Okay, I'll try to give some basics. Okay, 1 day, 2 days session. If you miss, that's okay. Okay, Java 1 2 day session. If you miss, okay. But 10 days, 15 days session, if you miss, you can't handle. Okay, I'll give two solutions. You can attend some other parallel batch. Okay, so advanced Java, no recordings actually available. So other recordings I'll give once session started. Okay, now you can ask your one by one question if you have. Okay, payment related information I'll let you know tomorrow. Okay, do we have payment related doubts? Payment will be, that's actually I'll let you know tomorrow because admin has to confirm. Okay, Santu, that is also I'll let you know tomorrow. Parallel batches means, okay, administration has to support actually. Yeah, real time projects will be later. Okay, and timing is actually fixed, sir. Today demo only, right? Later timing will be actually around 6:05 p.m. to it's a 7:45 p.m. Easily 7:45 7:50 p.m. session will be taken. Okay, so it's around easily 1 hour 30 minutes more than that. Okay, no class on Sunday. Okay, that depends, some special classes will be there. Payment I'll let you know tomorrow, Divya. Okay, admin has to confirm. Okay, so that one, Ravi, contact admin, you know already, right? Yeah, Spring Boot, Spring Batch also will be there. Ram V. Yes, I'll cover. Yes, I'll Nikhil real time projects, full project also will be there. That's a 3.5 duration, 3.5 months. If it started, I'll let you know. Yes, our Sairab Sharma, contact admin for that. No, Pradeep, cloud technologies you have to learn separately. It's not included in this course. Okay. Yeah, Mishra, I'll share the initial notes in my Facebook group. Later, I'll give a complete drive link. Today, if you want these notes, okay, this one, admin details also given here. You can just take it. Please contact admin Srikanth actually here. Yeah, Spring Boot MVC also covered here. Yeah, I'll cover everything in your regular class also. Yeah, Sai, if you learn properly, I won't give any certificates, sir. Course completed certificate will be given. Experience certificates and all will not be given. Subject I'll give. Subject related to that I'll give. Yeah, Varma, yes, subject I'll give in such a way here. Yeah, Alam, I'll teach multiple APIs. Kalpana, only RESTful web service we are going to learn. Pradeep, struts not required. Nikhil, real-time project means mini projects included. Separate project batch will be there. That's for 4.5 months. It's not started now. If it started, I'll let you know. Easily, Sai, Banala, easily you can handle. I'll give more than that. Yeah, Santu, congratulations. Yeah, Spring email also. Yeah, Ravi, please send an email to me. I'll just check it. Yeah, theme leaf integration will be there, React JS integration, JSP integration. Those are minimum RAM I'll be giving. Okay. Because once you start actual classes, I'll give some links also. Don't worry about that. You can just go through that. Yeah, yes, Manoj, Angular or React, anyone you can learn. Spring Core, it's not like every day separately I'll teach Dinesh. Whenever that concept is there, I'll explain before that. Not separately actually, or at the end of the session, like every day 10 minutes, 15 minutes like that. Yeah, same session contains microservice also. No, Srinivas Rao, not as of now. Okay, Sai, DAO means data access object, that is to perform database operation. Raghu, minimum JDBC servlet knowledge required, minimum. Yeah, my email ID, my Facebook group details I'll share. Java by Raghu at gmail.com. If I did not answer your question here because it's a more than 180 students are there. So if I miss your question, you can send email also. You can go through my Facebook group also here. No, Dinakar, no need of writing actually here. Directly you can continue Spring Boot. Okay. Yeah, Patel. Okay, it's actually included either Angular or React JS along with our course. Yeah, DAO is actually concept Sai. Okay, DAO is a concept name. Writing database operation, data access object, not only Spring, .NET, PHP, Python, everywhere. Okay, Spring JDBC or Spring Data JPA, that's a part of Spring. No, Naresh, another faculty will give React JS and or Angular. I'll give only integration example. Yes, Neha, web service also included in this course. Okay. Sharma, at last up to 7:40 session will be there. Later some question and answers. Okay. 1.5 hour session will be there. Later some doubts clarification for last 10-15 minutes. Okay. Varma, something like, for example, Java 8 features are there. Okay, something like multi-threading concepts, some exception concepts. Those I'll refresh. I'll not cover, I'll refresh. Every concept I'll be using in core. Without core, we can't write any application. Major concepts I'll be giving. Yeah, Rohan, I'll give MongoDB example also. Yeah, Sheikh Mastan. Yes, I think it's correct. Yes, Pradeep, you can ask the question in the classroom also. Nearest minimum knowledge required on advanced Java. Yes, Kafka integration also provided, Rahul. Muhammad Yusuf, that's what I'm saying. If you don't know, I'll take some additional sessions. Are you interested to learn? Yes, you can. Spring Core is needed actually. Vaibhav, yes. Okay, but I'll cover if you're able to join some additional classes. Yeah, Shivam Gupta, MVC also I'll cover. Yes, Lokesh, I'm going to add microservice also. This course is Spring Boot, Spring Cloud, and microservices completely. MVC also I'll cover, Shivam Gupta. No, Ram Gopal, Angular will be taken by another faculty. Sudhakar sir will be taken. No, Sai, web service different, AWS different. No, Narayan, no payment separately required. UI technology also included. Yes, Dinesh. Okay. Ashish, you can keep maths 1.5 year. Yeah, Mohammed, yes. Okay, Harshalata Gupta, today demo session, tomorrow also one more demo session will be there. Then after actual classes will be started. Okay, Ajinkya, almost 6 mini projects will be given based on the concepts. MVC, okay, ORM, that's web services concept, okay, completely, and microservices and security programming. Yes, Krishna, common code will be given by parent project only, okay, or starter. Both are same. Parent project contains starter. No, I won't give any documentation, Syed, show up. I'll give only subject. Experience means are you asking document or subject? Subject I'll give. Okay. No, Surya, not now. Once actual classes started, then I'll activate the mic, then you can speak. Now, not possible asking using mic. Okay, Surya Kumar. Okay, you can't ask using mic now. Once actual classes started, then I'll activate the mic, then you can speak. Yeah, daily notes will be shared as of now in my Facebook group, daily notes. Later, I'll give one Google Classroom Drive. Yeah, you can keep mini projects, you can't keep in the resume. Only major projects you can keep in the resume. GitHub knowledge also I'll cover. Docker also I'll explain, Janata. Okay. No, Dinesh, nowadays minimum requirement either Angular or React JS. Anyone you must have. Even fresher also they're asking. Yeah, mostly Sai Banala, mostly 7:30, 7:40 class will be completed. Doubts will be there for everyone, right? So that I'll be taking up to 7:50. And some additional questions and all will be there. Only for you, I can't stop, right? Now you're asking some question like that other people also will be having. No, Ashish, payment gateway integration, free service is not there. That's a problem. Okay. We need a registered company. Now, free service are removed using payment gateway. Registered company, registered credit card, registered ID required. So nowadays people are using in a fraud way. Indian government is not supporting. Yeah, Bitbucket also covered, Syed. Basics covered. That's completely Git tools I'll cover. Log4j, JUnit, Mockito, Gradle, Docker, Maven. Okay, minimum tools you need not to ask. Everything, almost all Java tools are covered. ELK stack also given, Docker also given, Redis also given. No, Prashant, don't worry. Separately, you are going to learn that either Angular or React, anyone you can opt and you can learn from beginning. Yeah, Tripathi, without practical concept, how we are we going to learn only theory? What is the use of learning theory? Without programming concept, I will not end any day. Don't worry about that. Harshat, Harshalata Gupta, I'll let you know tomorrow because admin has to confirm. Yeah, Redis also will be there. Unit test also part, sir. Yes, of course. You can create the projects, you can ask the doubts. Okay. Yeah, Surya, yes, tools, I'll give recordings. Many projects you can't keep in the resume, Ramagopal. You can just that is actually for learning subject only. Recordings I'll give using Classroom Drive, that too only for tools and some major concepts, not every day. No recording given for regular classes. Rahim, only some major concepts will be there, some security, JWT tools that I'll give. Okay. No, Avadut, these are it's not cloud computing classes, it's a Spring Cloud. So many people will get confused because of Spring Cloud and all. Okay, that's a different one. Yeah, Ganesh, yes, definitely that is covered. Syed, that depends on the platform that you choose. In case of regular Java, Spring Boot, Angular, okay, one cloud technology. Yeah, you can send an email to me, I'll give the answer. Yes, Nikhil, anyone you can opt. Yeah, this is completely online only. Yes, Ajinkya, completely online. Yeah, free service I'll show Assist Reddy. Send a link. I'll work on that. I'll give it. I'm always ready to take student inputs. Okay. Avadut free accounts only I'll give. Payment accounts not be possible. Heroku cloud deployment will be given. PCF recording session will be given. Yeah, Ashish Reddy, send the links to me. I'll work and I'll show it. Okay. Minimum personal information that is going to ask. That's a problem actually. Else I can show that. I have no issues of that. Yeah, I'll give Prashant Reddy once the regular class started. I'll give some references, documents, examples. Okay. Syed, that is for cloud deployment. Free accounts required for deploy your application. Okay. Sai, that you learn based on the subject. How much subject you learn, that much. Always remember, subject is equals to salary, not experience. How much subject you can learn, that much money you can expect. Okay. Syllabus copy, I'll share in my Facebook group. After the class completed, I'll post it here. You can just download it from there, syllabus copy. I'll give more than that. If you want, I'll give, I have no issues. Subject will be more than that. Spring Boot, cloud, and microservices. Content. Okay. This is my Facebook group. Just make a join request there. Yes, Jayant, 100%. Chandra, your interest, whatever you learn, that's okay. Yeah, Raj, Suvarna Raj, no other way you have to learn it. No, I won't teach Angular, other faculty will teach. Yeah, tools also will be given, not in regular class Surya. I'll be giving additional class. That's what I'm saying, right? So tools or some sub classes will be there. Some recordings will be given or some additional classes will be taken just to avoid some lengthy duration. Rahul, both are good. That depends what you learn, how you learn. Yes, I subject wise, I'll give more. Don't worry. Even you will refer others in such a way, I'll give. If we try to work on some functionalities based on our learning and we face issues. Okay, Galaxy A72018. I don't know your name. Okay, I'll give support after everyday class completed for 15 minutes. I'll give classroom drive and Sunday questions you can ask. Okay, classroom drive you can post there. I'll give answer even there. Yeah, interview questions will be there. Rishikesh minimum, right? Okay. Farah Islam. Okay, you can finish in very fast track batch. 1 week also there. Okay, 1 week batch also there. If you want, you can learn that also. No problem. But remember, that depends on your learning capability. Okay, today's session is completed. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Continuation we see in tomorrow's class, demo 2. Yeah, Ashish Reddy, if that is the case, if you want to use, you should use Kubernetes. Okay, Anurag, that depends on your learning, but at max you can keep 6 years. Okay, are you going to learn each and every task, each and every concept what I'm just giving? You can easily show 5 to 6 years. Okay, but remember again, each and everything you have to do it, whatever I'm showing. No, sir, I learn 50% means like 50% subject. I'll cover fresher level to experience level, everything. Okay. Still, if you have small doubt also, I'll show one small document. Recently, I have taken Spring Boot Angular JWT security. Okay. So this is, you can just see it's a 50 pages content. Subject will be like this. Then you can understand. Okay. I'll cover in every level. Yes, Dinesh. Every day will be there. Mohanty, that is actually created by my student. I don't ask why they kept names like that. I'm just following that same. I don't know how to handle group actually. My student will handle that. Yeah, yeah, Gupta, I will only cover all the concepts. Someone will come for that. No, I'll only cover Spring Boot course completely. Spring Boot, microservice, and Spring Cloud. Everything I'll cover. Yeah, today's content also I'll share. Today's image actually I'm sharing. It's a demo session 1. Spring Boot, 6 p.m. 10:06. Anurag, that's what I mentioned. If you do each and every concept practice, you can show easily 5 to 6 years. It's giving some problem. Okay. After few minutes, I'll post. Yeah, Shivakrishna Reddy, that's minimum. Without that, we are not going to learn. Sure, Anand, definitely. No, Dinesh, as of now, no separate Hibernate batch is there. If it is started, I'll let you know. Okay, I'll cover data JPI here. That's more than sufficient. I'll cover almost every concepts. You can just listen from that. Okay, but if you want some Hibernate concepts, I'll give support also. Okay, thank you for session. Still, if you have any question, you can send an email to me. No, Srinivas Rao, as of now, I can't give any guarantee. Okay, other slots, we can't say that. It takes some time. Okay, now you can send an email to me. Clearly mention your doubts and all here. Okay, you will get response. You can join to my Facebook group. Thank you for everyone. Continuation, we see in tomorrow's class. Yes, Karthik, Oracle database also I'll show.